Hello everyone, welcome to Gosia Kitchen. Today I will prepare homemade green beans casserole that uses all fresh ingredients. Green beans casserole is a perfect side dish idea for holiday dinner or anytime, and I hope you enjoy. For fresh beans and mushrooms casserole I need 2 pounds of green beans, 1 pound of mushrooms, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of sour cream, 4 tablespoons of flour, 1 onion, salt, pepper, 2 packs of crispy fried onion, and let's go start it. Just remove ends, we don't need it. The hard part of green beans, mushroom. Now I will slice mushrooms. Now I will chop onion. Onion is chopped. Now next part I will saute onion with mushrooms. Skillet is hot. 2 tablespoons of oil. Onion. Slice mushrooms on the other side. Flour. And mix everything. And 1 cup of milk. And sour cream. Salt. Pepper. Salt will be about 1 teaspoon, pepper, I like spicy, half a teaspoon, and just combine everything. Looks like the sauce is got nice and thick, will be perfect addition for my green beans casserole. Perfect. Next step, fresh mushroom sauce. It's a 4th layer. Crispy onion. Fresh green beans. Perfect. A little bit salt and pepper, just for the taste. And rest of the mushrooms I'll put on the top. Just lightly combine these ingredients like this. Perfect. And the last layer will be crispy fried onion for extra crisp. Green beans and mushrooms casserole. I will bake in oven 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. Green beans and mushroom is done. I bake for 35 minutes. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this recipe, please comment, like and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new video. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure you check them out. And see you soon on my next episode. Dziękuję bardzo, smacznego. Bye bye.